Hi class, I want to walk you through some tips for Week 2's Literacy Narrative assignment. In a nutshell, what you're going to do is you're going to read an article that somebody wrote about their own journey to being educated, and you're going to use it as a springboard to think about a story about how you became educated or a key moment that stands out to you that impacted you in your journey to be educated. As always, make sure you read through all the directions very carefully to ensure that you don't skip over any. Okay, but there's two articles to choose from, either My Military Service, a Positive Factor in My Life and Career, and you can click on that link to get to there, or in your textbook you can find on page 652 to 655, I Became Her Target. Okay, so let me show you how to get to that. While I'm doing that, I just want to remind you that you're not going to copy these people's narratives. You're going to use them as sort of an idea of how to structure your own. So to get to that reading, you can go down to our textbook, College Writing Skills with Readings. Okay, this is not going to click open what we want on the exact page. Okay, so I would go over to the title of contents. And if you scroll down on those title of contents, you'll see the readings for writers. Okay, and so I'm remembering we want it to be 652 to 655. Oh, there we go. I Became Her Target. So we're going to click on that. And you can read this article to get an idea of how to write your own. Okay, so let's go back to the assignment directions. So, please note that there's a suggested word count, 175 to 350 words. You're going to be sharing your own story, scenario, or example of becoming educated. Okay, you're going to use a template from the CWE. If you click on this, because this is English 100, you should select this APA paper template, and it'll download for you, and you can open it and use that to type away. Okay, make sure that you have descriptive and specific details, that you make an effort to engage the audience, and that you paint a picture, detail your visualization. You want to paint a picture with words for your reader. Okay, make sure you review for errors. You can use there's grammar tools in the CWE, and if you look at the resources down here, you can see those down here. Or you can make sure to use the tools in Microsoft Word, the spelling and grammar check. Okay, as always, I suggest that you take a look at how you're going to be graded on the assignment. You can see that there's a grading guide down here. So if you click on that, it'll download that for you, and then you can take a peek at how you're going to be graded. Content and voice, whether you're meeting the assignment expectations, and the readability. As always, don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions about this assignment. You can either post a question in the course questions area or as a private message to me up here. Thanks so much. Look forward to reading your literacy narratives.